Hi, this is Ty. Today I'm going to show you how to naturally blend your artwork into a mockup. First, download the mockup file from the link in the description. I also share various mockups through my Instagram subscription, so if you're interested, feel free to check it out. Start by placing the mockup onto your canvas. Then use the Object Selection tool to select the white poster area. Once it's selected, go to the top menu, open Select, choose Modify, and apply Expand. Enter the value 1 to slightly enlarge the selection. With the selection active, press Command-J or Control-J to create a new layer containing only the white poster. Next, paste your poster or artwork onto the canvas and press Command-C or Control-C to copy it. Then click the eye icon on the artwork layer to temporarily hide it. While the artwork is hidden, hold Command or Control and click the artwork layer thumbnail to recreate the same selection shape. Now go to New Fill Layer and choose Solid Color, then pick any color you like. Set the opacity to 50% and change the blending mode to multiply. Right-click the layer and convert it to a smart object. Drag the Solid Color Smart Object over the white poster in the background to match the position. Hold Command or Control and drag a corner to adjust only the corner you want to move for perspective correction. Then go to Edit, Transform, Warp to make finer adjustments and achieve a more natural shape. Once the shape is aligned, hold Option or Alt and click between your artwork layer and the poster layer to create a clipping mask. Now your artwork fits perfectly inside the shape of the poster. Finally, double-click the thumbnail of the artwork layer to open the Smart Object panel. Paste your artwork with Command-V or Control-V. Then save it with Command-S or Control-S, and it will automatically update back on the main canvas, and the mockup is complete. Using mockups is a great way to make your artwork look more realistic and visually appealing. And if you want more eye-catching mockups, you can get them through my Instagram subscription, so feel free to check it out. Subscribe for more creative tutorials. You'll find me on Instagram and TikTok, and my posters are available for purchase too. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next week.